Jake here for American Muscle, and today I'm taking a look at these Form Lighting LED taillights with the smoked lenses for 2015 and newer Mustangs. If you're looking to upgrade your S550's rear lights to something a little bit more slick and still keep that sort of OEM type of look, these are going to be just the ticket for you. They offer stealthy good looks with OEM quality components and for a fraction of the cost of a standard OEM option. Now these are a perfect upgrade for an earlier pre-facelift S550 as they're much more in line stylistically with the taillights that came on the 2018 and newer cars. They also evoke a bit of that European style since the lenses themselves aren't red like the US spec cars. Instead on these, they're sort of that smoked color, kind of similar to what you would get on a European spec Mustang. So these smoked lenses have LEDs behind them that illuminate in red just like your stock lights. And those LEDs are also up to OEM standards, so they're gonna shine just as bright as your original lights. And they will also retain your factory sequential turn signals. It's a very nice appearance overall, very clean, and very much a subtle but meaningful update versus stock. And the best part here is that these are also DOT and SAE compliant, making them fully street legal. Now construction here too is also very much OEM quality, so even though these are not Ford factory parts, they look and function very similarly to your factory lights. They are IP67 waterproof rated, so there's no worries about dirt or dust getting in, no moisture either. The housings here are also made from OEM grade plastic, and the lenses are a UV coated polycarbonate material. So again, very much like what would come on your car from the factory. So that means these aren't going to crack or discolor like some other aftermarket lights might. In short, these are constructed very similarly to your factory lights, but they just don't carry the same cost as factory parts. Now, speaking of pricing, the set as you see them here is going to run you about $600. And for what effectively equates to a factory light, you are really getting a lot for your money here. They have that same OEM quality and functionality for a lot less than a replacement from Ford, and they also undercut a lot of other aftermarket lights as well. So if you're looking for a sleek type of upgrade without breaking the bank, these are going to be an excellent choice for you. Now installation will come in at a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and these should really only take you about 30 minutes to install. They are a totally plug and play operation, so there's no wiring or modifications required, just a matter of unbolting your old ones and bolting these guys right in their place. And with that, let's head on over to the install bay and we'll walk you through the process.
The tools you'll need for this project are a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a trim removal tool. Hi everyone. Today we're installing a set of taillights in our Mustang. So let's get started with the uninstall part first. Our first step of the uninstall process is to remove this trim panel from the back of the trunk, removing the 4 hold down knobs that are currently in place. Now we can just pull this trim panel away and lift it up. And out of the way. Now we'll use our trim removal tool to remove this push pin right here so that we can pull this out of the way. Now there are 3 10mm nuts here, here, and 1 deep inside that need to be removed, and then we can pull the light out. Now once you've got those 3 nuts removed, you can disconnect the connector right here simply by pushing in on the retaining lock and pulling it out. Now we can just pull the light out and remove the grommet. And now repeat that process for the other side. To install our new lights, we're basically going to reverse our uninstall process, meaning we'll feed our connector into the body first, attach the grommet, and then insert the light back onto the car. Now we'll reuse our hardware that we took off from the original lights. And we'll tighten them down with our 10mm socket. Now we'll plug in our connector to the factory harness. And we'll go ahead and secure the cover using the original push pin. And you can repeat that process for the other side. Now we can go ahead and reinsert our trim panel and secure it using our 4 knobs. And that wraps up our review and install of the Forum Lighting LED taillights with the black housing and smoke lens for 15 to current Mustangs. Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.